God, I'm like uber bored. I have no idea what to do. What should we do? Knock knock. Woo! What's up, man? You wanna do something today? Yeah, let's play RuneScape for 5 hours. 10 hours? Yeah! Okay. Wait, we haven't even logged in yet. How did you already wield all that? Well, because I'm happy. Okay. I have like 300,000 GP. Type on my password. Okay. Welcome to RuneScape. Dude, I have an idea. Let's play the Wilby. Okay. What kind of sword do you have? A blue long sword. I got a dragon. Alright, let's play.
Hey guys.
Zero. What?
No.
What's what? Hold on, we're making a video.
Oh.
You're ruining it! Ah! I'm sorry, YouTube. Yeah. Zero. Damn.
Real like that.
Well, okay. Block. 1. Wow. 700. Special attack. Whoa. 2. Kick. Don't kill me. Punch. Ooh, 1 GP. See? Look. 1 GP. Oh God. People need help. 1 GP. Ooh, back alive. I revived. Let's fight him again. Oh no, my 1 GP. Oh, it's okay. I still have 1 billion. You son of a bitch. 7 million. Ooh, 1 billion. I have 1,000,000,001. It's okay. I'm gonna revive again. Whoa! I have to go get my party hat. How is he doing this? I got my need help. I got my long sword, my 1 billion, party hat, really help. Dude, I can sell this for like 200K. Oh my God. Dude, I have like 2 billion. I don't need that crap. Let's get something crystal. What's crystal? I know. I'm gonna go mine. Are you mine with me? Yeah. I got the added one. You get dragon. 1. Yes, I'm gonna steal. Oh my God, a lesser demon! Oh Jesus! He died. Take my freaking crystal helmet then. Now I got it. He's back alive! Wait. I'm gonna go turn this into gold. I'm mining out. Dude, I got a gold bar that's worth like 300 GP. Whoa, dude. That's enough. Oh my God. Let's check my bank out. I'm gonna eat some food. This is lobster. This is my bank. Oh yeah. I like this bank. There's some more. Okay, let's find out real quick. We got less than 4 hours. Okay. Let's see what else we can do. Oh, I have a boon and Addy. And I've got a miss. 2-handed. You know what? Mine are 4-handed. Even though I only have 2. Bam! Splash! Wild special attack! My tentacles! My tentacles! Okay. Overlord! I'm gonna laugh now. That was my guitar. Okay, I got my 2 guitars. Okay. Dude, we're the best in the world, just like that Justin dude. We got 100% on Dragon Force on expert hyperspeed times 5. Yeah. We spent 6 minutes on it. I just bought this game yesterday, and he bought it like 3 days ago, so I win. Yeah, and then we're gonna play Mandalorian Sorry. Then we're gonna what are we gonna play next? I'm gonna take my Dragon Mayhem and my patty hat. I'm gonna run away and I'm gonna get out of the wilderness. Shut up! And then I'm gonna teleport. See, I can tap Dragon Force.